Grow tons of strawberries at home. Beginner's Guide. Ready to sink your teeth into juicy, homegrown strawberries? Even if you're a complete beginner, you can grow a bountiful harvest right in your backyard, or even on your balcony. Let's get started and turn your thumb green, one strawberry at a time. Let's explore the different types of strawberry plants. Understanding the varieties will help you choose the best option for your garden and desired harvest schedule. We'll cover June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral strawberries. June-bearing strawberries produce one large crop, typically in late spring or early summer. These are great if you want a big batch for jam making or freezing. They are known for their intense flavor. Ever-bearing strawberries offer 2 to 3 harvests throughout the growing season. You'll get a smaller crop in spring, another in summer, and possibly a third in the fall. This provides a more extended period of fresh berries. Day-neutral strawberries produce fruit consistently throughout the growing season. They aren't affected by day length, making them a reliable choice. This is perfect for continuous snacking and smaller regular harvests. For beginners, ever-bearing or day-neutral varieties are often recommended. They offer a more forgiving growing experience and a longer harvest window. Consider your local climate and available space when making your decision. You'll find strawberry plants available as bare root, potted, or even seeds. Starting from seeds takes longer, so bare root or potted plants are usually preferred. Look for healthy plants with vibrant green leaves and strong roots. Avoid plants that look wilted, have spots on their leaves, or show signs of disease. A healthy start is crucial for a successful strawberry harvest. Choose wisely, and you'll be rewarded with delicious berries. Now, let's get our hands dirty and plant those strawberry plants. Whether you're planting in containers or directly in the ground, the process is similar. We'll cover sunlight, soil, and proper planting techniques. Strawberries thrive in a sunny location, needing at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Choose a spot in your garden or on your patio that receives plenty of sunshine. This will ensure optimal fruit production. Well-draining soil is essential for healthy strawberry plants. Strawberries don't like soggy roots, which can lead to root rot. Good drainage is key to preventing this common problem. If planting in the ground, amend the soil with compost to improve drainage and fertility. Compost adds valuable nutrients and helps retain moisture. This creates a perfect environment for your strawberry plants to flourish. For container planting, choose a pot that is at least 12 inches wide and deep. This provides enough space for the roots to grow and spread. Use a high-quality potting mix that drains well. When planting, make sure the crown of the plant, where the roots meet the stem, is just above the soil line. Planting too deep can cause the crown to rot. Proper crown placement is crucial for plant health. Space your strawberry plants 12-18 inches apart to allow for adequate air circulation and growth. This prevents overcrowding and reduces the risk of disease. Give your plants room to breathe and thrive. If you're planting bare root strawberries, soak the roots in water for about 30 minutes before planting. This rehydrates the roots and helps them establish quickly. A little pre-planting care goes a long way. After planting, water the plants thoroughly. This helps settle the soil and encourages root growth. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Proper watering is essential for a strong start. Caring for your strawberry plants involves regular watering, fertilizing, and managing runners. These steps will ensure a healthy and productive harvest. Let's dive into the details. Water your strawberry plants regularly, especially during dry periods. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger into the soil. If it feels dry an inch or two down, it's time to water. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Strawberries prefer consistently moist soil, not soggy soil. Finding the right balance is key to healthy growth. Fertilize your strawberry plants every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Look for a fertilizer specifically formulated for berries. This will provide the necessary nutrients for fruit production. Remove runners to encourage fruit production. Runners are the long stems that the plant sends out to create new plants. Cutting them off redirects energy to fruit development. Alternatively, you can propagate runners by pinning them to small pots filled with soil. Once the runner develops roots, you can cut it from the mother plant and have a new strawberry plant. This is a great way to expand your strawberry patch. Protect your strawberry plants from pests like slugs, snails, and birds. Use organic methods like diatomaceous earth or netting to keep them away. A little protection can save your harvest. Harvesting your own strawberries is the most rewarding part of the process. Knowing when and how to harvest will ensure you get the best flavor and encourage continued production. Let's learn the secrets to a perfect harvest. Strawberries are ripe when they are fully red and slightly soft to the touch. Gently squeeze the berry to test for ripeness. A ripe strawberry will easily detach from the plant. Harvest strawberries by gently twisting them off the plant, leaving a small piece of the stem attached. This helps prevent bruising and keeps the berries fresh longer. Handle them with care. The best time to harvest strawberries is in the morning, after the dew has dried. The berries will be at their peak flavor and firmness. Start your day with a delicious harvest. Pick your strawberries regularly to encourage continued production. The more you pick, the more the plant will produce. Keep those berries coming. Even with the best care, you might encounter some problems with your strawberry plants. Knowing how to troubleshoot common issues will help you keep your plants healthy and productive. Let's address some potential challenges. Be on the lookout for common pests like aphids, spider mites, and strawberry root weevils. Use organic pest control methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap to manage infestations. Early detection is key. Diseases like powdery mildew and gray mold can also affect strawberry plants. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overwatering to prevent these diseases. Remove any infected leaves or berries promptly. Nutrient deficiencies can cause yellowing leaves or poor fruit production. Fertilize regularly with a balanced fertilizer to provide the necessary nutrients. A healthy plant is a productive plant. If you're unsure about a problem, research online or consult your local garden center. They can provide valuable advice and help you diagnose and treat any issues. Don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Growing your own strawberries is a rewarding experience that brings fresh, delicious fruit right to your table. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest all season long. Let's recap and get you growing. Imagine enjoying homemade strawberry shortcake, refreshing strawberry smoothies, or simply snacking on freshly picked berries. The possibilities are endless. Homegrown strawberries are a treat you can enjoy all summer long. Remember, growing strawberries is easy and fun. With the right knowledge and a little effort, you can have a thriving strawberry patch in no time. Get ready to enjoy the fruits, or berries, of your labor. Now it's your turn. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and family who love fresh, homegrown food.